also
Meet newlyweds Orlando and Jenny. They recently got married and moved in together.
So let's see, we're going to repaint the guest bedroom, the bathroom. We're so excited to start a few upgrades on our new home. So we're here at our neighborhood True Value, where we're gonna talk to the experts so we can get these projects done properly.
Let's get started.
Now they're ready to make their house a home and are taking on some DIY projects.
Hey, welcome to True Value. How can we help you today?
We're looking for paint. I brought a sample to match it.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're doing some renovating on the bathroom. So if you can help us with that.
Absolutely, I think we can help you out for sure. Let's
thank
start
you.
with paint. I'm gonna take you guys over to our paint bar.
True Value is the destination for hardware, tools, paint, garden products, and more, but it's not just about selling products. For True Value, it's about superior service and providing our customers with advice on how to tackle their next DIY project. True Value stores are independently owned and operated by members of your community. Select True Value stores offer a complete color center solution to inspire your next DIY project, help you pick out the best colors based on your style and trends in the market, and to meet all of your painting needs.
Hey, Jason. Good. Orlando.
How are you? I'm Jenny. Nice to meet you.
Got a few projects.
Okay, what are we working on?
Well, first we're painting our guest room. We have some guests coming over, so we want to make it nice and pretty.
Okay.
And we brought the shower curtain as our inspiration for color.
Okay.
It does have a few different shades, but we're really leaning towards this darker one.
Okay. Once you guys come around here, we'll look at some colors. How about that? We have a green palette card.
Oh, wow.
This gives you an idea of the different shades of green that complement each other. I think that
That's a huge selection.
Yeah, I think we can kind of take this and narrow it down. One of the things that we need to look at in conjunction with the color is the different types of lighting. The traditional looking lighting that you would have in your home is the relaxed look.
Yes.
Yeah, that looks like our home.
Yes.
Pretty close.
The reveal lighting is a little softer. I think that
Okay, that's a
probably
little whiter.
Yeah,
I think that one matches better,
it
right?
looks
That
like-
feels like home.
it kind of gives you an idea of what your color is going to look
That's
like.
great. So it
in
won't
your
look like a
lighting.
different color when we get home.
Exactly.
EasyCare Ultra Premium Paint is a paint and primer in one and offers superior durability, smooth application, impeccable finish, and rich color. It's low odor, low VOC, and 100% acrylic.
Do you guys have any other projects you're working on right now?
We're actually working on the bathroom. So.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get this mixed up for you.
Okay. Your color?
We did.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna go to plumbing. One is a good choice and a good value.
One great way to breathe life into a bathroom remodel is with new plumbing and new fixtures. And here at True Value, we have a great assortment of things to choose from, whether it's a new faucet or a new light fixture.
Oh, look.
Oh, they have puppy toys. This store's so great. I can't believe they even have pet supplies. I got this squeaky toy for our little dog, Chewy.
Our personalized service and expertly trained staff can help you do things like getting a key cut to getting a window rescreened.
Did you guys find everything okay?
We did,
Yes.
and we had a
This is
lot of
awesome.
help. Yeah, you too. Bye. And now it's time to get to work.
Back
you
to
ready?
work.
I'm
Yeah,
so
I'm ready.
excited. I am really excited about the house.
Yes,
We'll make it
me
our
too.
own.